If the AP profile radio or SSID has been modified, the changes must be reapplied to the AP to take effect. Go to Wireless tab and click AP Profile under the AP Profiles. If the AP profile radio or SSID has been modified, the changes must be reapplied to the AP to take effect. Go back to the AP Profiles. Check the profile status of each AP. If the status shows Associated, one or more APs managed by the controller are associated with this profile. If it shows Associated Modified, the profile must be reapplied for the changes to take effect. This is because the profile has been modified since it was applied to one or more associated APs. If the status shows Configured, no APs managed by the controller are currently using this profile. Right-click on the profile showing Associated Modified and click Apply. Click OK to proceed. For more details, click this icon on the controller web UI. And you're done.